This is how to make paper airplane.
Right here is our paper. You want to fold it in half just like this. Make sure the corners are even. And then after that, you want to unfold it and fold the edges so that they are perfectly on the line. There. Now, take this, flip it like this, crease it down. Now after you have this, take this and fold this in here. So about there. Same on the other side. Oh, now it's looking shaping up to be a paper airplane. After that, fold it like this. Crease the edges. But now it doesn't really look right, so you want to take this right around right here and fold it down so it looks about right. Of course, same on the other side. There you go. That's how you make a very simple paper airplane.
This is the flight test.
Welcome to a day in the life. Alright everyone, welcome to how to make a simple paper airplane.